Are you sure you're not getting carried away with all these material things around you? All I need from you is an assurance that you still love me.
Of course. You know I love you. I love you very much. You don't know how happy I am that I met you here.
Are you sure?
Mm.
I love you too. See, sometimes I just get jealous with all of these people around you. I just need you to keep assuring me that you still love me.
Of course, my love. I love you too much. But my only problem is these people. They wouldn't let you rest. The Lolo is on your case. The princess.
But I'm resting with you now.
Hey, baby. What is this?
Huh?
Richard, what is this?
We're talking. We're talking.
Look at that. Hey, babe. You see what I'm saying? You see what I've been complaining? They wouldn't let you rest every now and then. It's high time. It's high time this whole nonsense stopped. What do we do?
What do we do? How? Well, what are you supposed to do? Just come back. Where did we stop? I said I want you to keep reassuring me that you still love me.
But of course you know I can do anything. I die here. Bury me.
Are you sure?
But these women wouldn't just let you rest. The Lolo is just on your case. The daughter. They should just let you rest though.
Well, I'm resting.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.